Okay, you're making a mess. I just wanted to show Elisa. He called me out here. He had this really weird meow and he called me out of my office to see this. Okay, Doodie. My God. Getting feathers all over the place. Okay. No. People might think I'm sick recording this, but I want you to see this, Elisa. The cat is crazy. Poor, but it's a beautiful little bird too, poor thing. Doodie, you having fun? Poor birdie. Poor birdie. Silly cat. Okay, we gotta clean up the mess. I'm gonna take this bird away from him before he... I think it's amazing that he could catch that bird. I mean, that takes a lot, I think, to be able to catch him. It's a good-sized bird, too. I think he's really proud of it. It was quite a accomplishment. Oh, okay. All right, I gotta go. Shit. Okay, that's enough for Doodie. Doodie, come here. Will you come here? Doodie? All right. It's interesting, huh? Okay, Doodie, will you come here? Will you come here? Can you come here, Doodie? Oh, what a good boy. What a good kitty cat, yes. He's such a good boy. Okay, now we're going to totally clean up your mess. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. All right. Yeah, what you got there, huh? Okay.